Guys, we've got very much an impromptu video. I was out shopping today and drove past the Green here in Seaham, unaware that there was an American car show happening today. Just a little bit of a meet, and I thought I'd pop down and have a look whilst I was out shopping. So probably not the full vlog you're used to, but yeah, we'll go and take a look at some classic American motors. Now, if you know your stuff about cars, you'll probably be wondering why there's a Jensen Interceptor here. Jensen, of course, based in the Midlands in the UK. They were powered by a Chrysler V8. This Cadillac behind me here, Cadillac convertible, ideal for a sunny bank holiday like this one, and I think possibly my favourite car here on display today.